today's video, I'll show you how to add the 200-day moving average in TradingView so you can track long-term trends with a clean professional chart setup. It only takes a moment, and once you add it, you'll instantly see how powerful this indicator can be. Start by opening TradingView and pulling up any chart you want to analyze. It can be a stock like AAPL or a crypto pair like BTC/USD. The process works the same for every asset. Once your chart is open, look toward the top toolbar and click the Indicators button. This is where all of TradingView's technical tools are located. In the search bar, type in Moving Average. You will see the standard moving average indicator appear. Click it once and the line will automatically load onto your chart. Next, look at the top of your chart where the moving average label appears and click the small gear icon to open its settings. Under the Inputs tab, change the length to 200 so the indicator reflects the last 200 days of price data. Make sure the source is set to close for an accurate trend view, and if you're on an intraday chart, you can switch the time frame to 1 day if you want it to behave like a true daily moving average. Now open the Style tab if you want to customize how the line looks. You can adjust the color, thickness or line style so the 200-day moving average stands out clearly from your price candles. Once everything looks the way you want, click OK, and that's it. Your 200-day moving average is now active, giving you a clean and reliable view of the long-term trend. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded TradingView setup.